Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Roku is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. This avoids pairing issues later. Next, sign into your Google account on your phone so you can link YouTube easily. On the Roku, go straight to streaming channels and search for YouTube. Don't delay, install it now. Once installed, open YouTube and choose Sign In to get the linking code. Make sure your TV is showing that code before moving to the next step. Now you'll link the account, go to YouTube.com/activate on your phone or computer and enter the TV code shown on the Roku. This authorizes playback and subscriptions. If you prefer, open the YouTube mobile app and tap Cast to connect directly to Roku, which lets you queue videos from your phone. Once linked, select the profile you want to use and adjust parental controls. This ensures recommended content matches your preferences. After linking, test playback with a short clip to confirm everything works. Finish by learning how to search and play. Use the Roku remote, voice search, or Cast from your mobile app to queue videos and control playback. You can create playlists on your phone and send them to the TV, which is faster than searching with the remote. If playback fails, restart your Roku, verify Wi-Fi strength, and reauthorize at YouTube.com/activate. These steps usually resolve common errors. If sound or app glitches persist, reinstall the YouTube channel as a last resort to reset app data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.